Making evil look innocent. Satan mixes truth with error, creating real terror. Making evil look innocent, even heaven sent. Confusing your mind, your heart, taking your soul, that's Satan's goal. Truth is 100% truth, or it's not truth. Diluted is Satan suited. For we are all born scorned, slaves of Satan, torn until reborn. The prince of darkness we can escape if the road to Jesus you totally take. A decision only you alone in your heart can make. A choice unsoiled by politics, mixed doctrines, or family tradition. Seeking out God's truth, a personal critical decision. As looking through a glass of tint, there's one making evil look innocent. Offering something short of God's blessings, something appealing, but after a soul, he is stealing. Deliberate deception, Satan's direction. He will fool you with what seems to fit, always making evil look rather innocent.